Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about using cake decoration tools and more specifically turntable. If you are a cake decorator, then you know that creating beautiful and professional looking cakes takes time, effort and right tools. One of the most important tools in your arsenal is a turntable, and in this video I am going to be talking about why it is so important to use it when you are decorating your cakes. So let's get started. A turntable, also known as a cake decorating turntable, is a rotating platform that is used to hold and rotate the cake while you decorate it with icing, frosting and other toppings. The turntable can be made of various materials like wood, plastic, metal or even marble, and it can be manually rotated or powered by a motor as well. So, why is a turntable so important for cake decoration? Firstly, it allows you to work more efficiently. With a turntable, you can easily spin your cake around as you work, so you don't have to keep moving around it. This can save you a lot of time and make your decorating process much smoother. Secondly, a turntable helps you achieve a more even and consistent finish. When you are decorating a cake, you want to make sure that your icing or frosting is smooth and evenly distributed. By using a turntable, you can easily turn your cake and apply the icing in a consistent manner. This helps you achieve a more professional looking finish and ensure that your cake is evenly coated. Thirdly, a turntable allows you to work comfortably and without strain. When you are decorating a cake, you need to be able to access all sides of it without straining your arms or wrists. A turntable allows you to work at a comfortable height and angle, so you can work for longer periods without getting tired or soaked. Using a turntable can significantly improve your piping skills in cake decoration. By placing your cake on turntable and rotating it, you can easily access all sides of the cake without having to move the cake itself. This allows you to pipe and decorate your cake more efficiently and smoothly, without the need of awkward angles or uncomfortable positions. Additionally, using a turntable can help you achieve a more even and consistent design on your cake. The rotation motion allows you to pipe with a steady hand while keeping the piping tip at a constant distance from the cake surface. This ensures that your decorations are evenly spaced and that your design remains consistent throughout the cake. Overall, using a turntable in cake decoration is a simple yet effective way to improve your piping skills and create beautiful, professional looking cakes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced cake decorator, using a turntable can help you achieve consistent and impressive results every single time. And that is what matters when it comes to doing a home bakery business, right? Share your thoughts in the comments below. So, in conclusion, a turntable is an extremely important tool for any cake decorator because it helps you get consistent result and finish on your cakes every single time. If you are serious about your cake decoration, please do invest in good quality turntable. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. So thanks for watching, and if you have loved this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such decoration tips and tricks.